Namaskar. First of all, I would like to welcome all the graduating students and teachers and also the members of the management of Jagran Institute of Management. It is my great privilege to address all of you on this auspicious occasion of e-convocation when several students of Jagran Institute are graduating today. It is a bit unfortunate that due to prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situations, I could not be present in person, but we are all talking to you in a virtual or electronic means. First of all, at the outset, let me congratulate all the students of PGDM and MCA who are going to get their degrees today on this e-convocation. Many hearty congratulations to all of you and my best wishes for all your future endeavors and careers in whatever walks of life you would step out today. At the same time, I would like to congratulate all the parents whose sacrifices have really resulted in their children reaching this height of success. Friends and students, today you would be beaming with joy of achievements and fulfillment. All your hard work, these years that you have put in has come to a fruition, and we are all delighted that you are graduating today. But with this sense of achievement and pride also comes a responsibility in you. Swami Vivekananda has said that youth is really indeed the future of our country, of our nation. Today, our nation has maximum population of young people like you, and the future of this country really lies in the hard work, the dedication and the sacrifices that you will do in the coming years once you step out into the life after you have graduated. Education is really the thing which an important achievement for contributing to the society and the nation. All of you belong to that privileged class who have had the good fortune to attend the master's degrees like PGDM or MCA. In our country, there is a large population who is underprivileged, who were not so fortunate and who did not get that opportunity to study and get educated like all of us and like you, all of you who have done. Once you graduate, I would like to urge you that remain sensitive and remain responsible towards those sections of the society who are unfortunately were not so privileged as you are. Do not forget your commitment and your dedication to those strata of society. In future, you need to work with passion and commitment. Tomorrow, you may be working in some industry, you may be working in some government organizations. Some of you may also be starting their own enterprises, may be going into entrepreneurial activities. Whatever role that you want to do, don't forget your dedication and your commitment to this great nation. With our efforts and with our commitments only, we can make India a country of global repute and also a world power. There will be many challenges in your life that you will face. As a matter of fact, even today, as you know, the whole world is going through a crisis in the form of COVID-19 pandemic. Our own country itself has many challenges in all sectors, and particularly in our rural areas. There still, despite significant efforts put by our present government, there still continues to be the disparity between various sections of the society. I really urge you to be sensitive to these challenges, these problems, and would like you to dedicate your work and your efforts in whatever enterprises or organizations that you are working to address the problems of the society. I would really like to see that some of the challenges that we are faced with get converted into opportunities. As a matter of fact, great opportunity really lies in great challenges and overcoming those challenges. While your formal education in the form of degrees may be over, remember one thing, that learning never stops in life. So keep learning. Do not stop your learning. You keep learning from your environment, from the friends, from families, from the society, in the organization, from your colleagues where you work with. Understand the value of time. Understand that this Almighty God has given you the opportunity and the time to make a difference to the society and the nation. Use all your enthusiasm, your critical thinking, and your hard work to contribute to your family, to your neighborhood, to your society, and ultimately to our great country. Don't get disheartened if you are confronted with the problems in your career or your organizations. It is not going to be an easy and smooth life after you graduate and start working in your jobs or whatever field, or if you want to start your own enterprises and your own entrepreneurial activities. But I am sure that the education and the training that you have got into the institute will empower you to overcome all the problems and the challenges, and you will shine in your life. Once again, I would like to congratulate you for achieving all the success today. I hope you will make best use of your education in furthering your professional career and will achieve a great success in your life. My best wishes for you and your family. Jai Hind.